I'm about to show you how to get a raise and a promotion in 3 steps, and I've done this 5 times. Let's get started. So this is how you get a raise or a promotion. You have 3 steps that you must follow. Number 1 is you must assess, you must plan, and then you have to execute. Let's start with assessing. So when you assess, you have to find out if you can get a raise or a promotion and how much are you going to ask. So number 1 is you need to look at external pay. How much is the role paying outside of the company? Number 2, you need to find out how much your company pays for that role. Sometimes you'll find out that you're at the top of your range, so you need to go for a promotion instead.
Next.
What is the role that comes after your position and how much it pays? The next one is timing and effort. You need to find out if it's a good time to ask for the raise and also the type of effort that it takes to get a raise. That means what are the expectations of your boss or your leader? What do they look at in order for you to get a raise or a promotion? The last one is who approves the raise. This is really important. Some companies are smaller and your supervisor or maybe your manager can actually execute that raise. They call HR, they're like, good, fill out some paperwork. If they're large companies, there's going to be a lot of structure. You need to have a business case ready. You need to be able to document everything so your boss can send that to the director or the VP for approval. HR is also going to be involved in terms of asking what are the reasons for this raise or promotion. All right, now that you have the information, you know how much you're going to ask for, you know when you're going to try to execute this raise with your boss, you know who's going to execute the raise. So now it's time for the planning. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up so somebody else can benefit from it. Now for your planning, I have the link right below, or you can head on over to the channel to go ahead and hit that playlist so you can see the next video.